Yo, there's a boy.
We mwega muthikiriria na mwiroreri wa Miaki na Membe TV gwiraga hana ho mucii wigwe wi mucingitwo murwo wa Kimani riu uri urari manager wa Samido wa miaka mingi ni Moses Marite riu ni aritie thiku nini kuma Samido anirira gukorwo amutigithitie wira. Marite ni acokeire Samido ngatho ni ihinda riu aramuohekeire wira wake na akahoya muhera ni mahitia maria arekite riria arari wira-ini ucio. Ino niyo ndumiriri ya Marite arandikire arauga atiriri: I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to Samido HSC for trusting me and according to me an opportunity to be part of his great band. Every opportunity to serve is a gift. Thank you for allowing me and love it with you. Your support has been monumental. Through you, I have achieved a lot which can only be attributed to you. My sincere apology to you, for instance, where I have wronged you and your brand knowingly and unknowingly as I carried out my duties. However, it has been a journey filled with a lot of highs and lows alike. I cannot be more thankful to you, our lovely fan and supporters, for standing by us through and through. I have made great friends during this journey. To Kent, it is believed everything proceeded tentatively and planned. To a few special cases with a concern, I promise I will amicably resolve your issue at personal level before the due date of your book date. A change in life. I have hit the ceiling. Therefore wish this great band and brand very well best doing going forward, and I pray without doubt it will continue to thrive as it always has. Thank you once more, and may the God Lord praise every one of you. Nĩ ndũmĩrĩri agĩtigire akĩandĩka harĩa Marite manager wa Samido rĩrĩ maragĩtiganire. Woni waku nĩ ũrĩkũ kuma na video ĩno? Comment ho no tuĩke wa gũsubscribe Miaki na Membe TV.